Time flies when you're having fun. Happy Friday, everybody. Fall has definitely hit Southwest Ohio. A little chilly today. Leaves are starting to change already, and getting into this fourth quarter of the year. So holidays coming up, trick or treat, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and then we're in 2020. But anyways, update: renovation home, personal house renovation. Had our walkthrough Monday evening with Brad and Dave, who is going to be our foreman. Went through the worksheet of everything that we are doing to the house. Build a plan of action together. Carrie and I have been, at different stores, getting, different samples, getting, estimated cost, what we want to do to, try to stay within the budget and get these guys rolling. So roof has been picked out. That has been ordered. We got tile for the bathroom, flooring, cabinets, you name it, everything else that's on the list, carpet, shower stall down for the basement bath, just all kinds of different stuff. So construction, the tear down, the damage stage that I keep posting. No, we're not tearing down the house. I had some people quoting on that or sending me comments. We're not destroying the house. The damage stage is just me having fun with, we're getting ready to, do some damage, just having fun. But, we will be doing tear down. We'll do some before and after pictures coming up, and just kind of keep stuff, going with the flow. Monday, do probably a quick video as to what's prepared for the week, what timing and everything that they're going to be doing for the week, where they're going to start, and where the process is going to go. Really looking forward to them getting started and seeing the transformation on the house. Little piece of personal advice: keep the wife away from Homerama. So if you're on a budget, and you want to stick to that budget and all this and that, and she's going to kill me for saying this if she sees my video, but stay within your budget. Everything will look good. Trust the people that you're dealing with, like we are with Integrity Restoration, and everything will work out great. It'll look good. As always, have a great weekend. If you need me for anything, always got my phone handy, 513-594-9218. Thank you.